I know my hair looks a shambles right now, like it looks crazy, but today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I straighten my hair. I guess it sounds like such a simple thing, like just straighten your hair, get some straighteners and straighten your hair, but there's actually techniques to this. There's levels to how straight your hair is, because sometimes your hair is straight and as soon as you go outside it's just poof. And then sometimes you can straighten your hair and it's still a bit wavy and it's just like ugh. And the worst one is when you straighten your hair and it's dead straight but your hair is dead because you burnt it. So today I've got charm. This is a wig and this hair is from Unice. Here's the hair in its natural state. I washed and conditioned the hair yesterday and I let it air dry all night. I love letting my hair air dry. I just think it's better for the hair, you know, no harsh heat or anything like that. Also, this hair is supposed to be straight, but it's got a bit wavy, which I'm alright with that because this is usually how most people with this kind of hair texture, this is how their hair goes, so I'm not mad at the fact that it's not straight anymore. Their hair still feels very nice and soft, so I really appreciate that, and I absolutely love and live for this wig, this hair, everything. I wear it all the time. If you guys haven't seen my previous review on it, I'll leave it in the link below so you guys can check that out. Okay guys, so the first... Mom, I'm filming.
Okay, I want to go. I forgot, sorry.
Okay guys, so what we'll need is a straight styling spray. This one is from Avon and I absolutely love it. Some heat protecting, oh no, this is it. Some heat protecting spray as well. This is from Tresemme. Everything Tresemme, to be honest, is just amazing. And some hairspray. This is mainly for the parting, to keep away those flyaways. And also a little comb. You can use a brush, but I prefer comb because it's just more precise. I have to wear a cap, but yeah, I just brushed the hair and I absolutely love this hair. This hair is from Unice. I probably will say that in the introduction anyway, but yeah, I've had it for maybe 6 months now, something along those. Is it up to 6 months? But definitely more than 3 months. It's been a while since I've had it and it's just doing me so many favors. So I just comb the hair, make sure I comb it from the root, because this is what happens. A lot of people don't comb their hair from the root, they just comb it from here, and then the hair will start like knotting by the root section, so you have to comb your hair from the root downwards. You can see there's a lot of kinks there, especially after washing it. So the next thing I do is just spray the heat protector spray on the hair and just massage it into the hair, ridiculous. Then I get my Power Straight spray and just spray the hair briefly, not too much, and I section the hair and I just straighten it from the root to the tip of the hair. Oh yes guys, oh my god, this straightener, I spoke about it. I actually made a video about how I straighten my hair, how I keep my hair straight and silky, and that did pretty well. These are the straighteners I'm talking about, so this is kind of like a demo video. These straighteners are so good. White plate straighteners over thin plate straighteners all day, mate. I am a wide plate straightener girl. It's just so much easier and I feel like it just gets every strand of hair. So what I do is I just press the hair and just go down, and voila. Already, can you guys just see that? And to be more precise, you can take a thinner strand of hair and literally this is how, and this is how the hair will be dead straight. And I use a lot of pressure when I'm going down on the hair, just to really press the hair down. And it's just about straightening your hair and still maintaining the body, the bounce and the healthiness of the hair. You don't want it to be burnt, you don't want it to be stiff. Yeah, so this is amazing, and you definitely don't want it to lose its silkiness and softness. You guys can see the difference a bit better in this footage. On the left hand side is the part I've straightened, and on the right hand side is the part I've literally just taken out of the hair bubble. And this technique is really simple, it's really quick, and it also like looks after your hair, because you're kind of like conditioning and just giving the hair moisture. Once you spray the straightening spray, the heat protector spray, once you brush your hair from root to tip, your hair will be in a much better condition. Yeah, so it's all about looking after your hair really, but still achieving the look that you desire. As you guys can see, I've just finished brushing their hair. I brushed it thoroughly. I really like give it my all. So this is quite good for your arms if you know, forget the gym, just brush your hair. But then I sprayed the heat protector spray, the straightening spray again, and then I just go in with my comb and my Remington wide plate straighteners, and I just basically just straighten small sections of the hair. And yeah, and that is it, guys. So after the majority of the hair is straightened, what I do is just go over with my spray one more time, my Avon straightening spray. Turn up the heat of the straightener. I'm going to do it at 210 and just go over the hair. Just to go over everything and just make it merge, become one. You can basically skip this step because the hair should be, if you follow the routine I use, it should be dead straight, and I am absolutely in love with this. Okay, bitch giving you side part. Hey guys, so I just want to share a quick tip on how I lay my closure, how I lay on my head flat and get rid of flyaways, etc. So what I do is I get some holding spray on the closure, then I turn down the heat on my straighteners and just press it like so. I just do this to kind of get rid of any bumps, and just I hate like a quiffy closure, if that makes any sense. So yeah, definitely try this hack out if you are experiencing problems with your closure, and just press it until it's laid, and you guys can see right there the closure looks way better than it did before. Yeah guys, as you can see, this is the end result. I hope you guys found this technique useful. I hope you learned a few tips, a few hacks and some new tricks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't want this video to be super long, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and I will see you in my next video.